Once upon a time, in a world not so far away, lived a superhero named Mr. Incredible. He was strong, fast, and always ready to save the day. One sunny morning, Mr. Incredible woke up with a stretch and a yawn. He rubbed his eyes and looked out the window, ready to start his day. As he stepped out of his superhero lair, he saw a little girl named Lucy, who was lost in the park. Mr. Incredible knew he had to help. With a leap and a bound, he sped toward Lucy, scooping her up in his strong arms. "Don't worry, little one," he said with a smile. "I'll take you home." Together, they flew through the sky, enjoying the beautiful view of the city below. Lucy chatted happily, telling Mr. Incredible all about her favorite ice cream flavors. When they arrived at Lucy's house, Mr. Incredible set her safely on the ground. "Thank you so much, Mr. Incredible," she said, giving him a big hug. Mr. Incredible waved goodbye and flew off, ready for his next adventure. He knew that every day was a chance to make a difference, and he was always ready to help. As the sun set, Mr. Incredible returned to his lair, tired but happy. He knew that tomorrow would bring new challenges, but he was ready to face them all. The end.